Super exciting day. I got a log skid professionally made. Super simple design, it just slides straight onto the forklift tines on the tractor. I said goodbye to my old rubbish one. This one is going to work brilliant. Let's go. What a ripper day. Ross from BinFab has made an absolutely killer attachment and it is nuke proof, so that's a good win. The only issue now is that the 3-point link actually doesn't go high enough for me to get the rear roller under, as you saw. So since then I've been a bit busy. I've got a boat anchor winch, I attached it to the mast of the forklift, so now I've got a bit more extra travel so I can just lift it a bit higher so that we can get that rear roller under. Farmer Paul helped me with all the electricals because my electrical knowledge is extremely subpar. So thanks so much for watching, hope you enjoyed.